Want this? Open Filmora 13 and import your clips. Arrange it the way you like. Import Tadow music. Add the music to your editing timeline to serve as guide in arranging your clips. For the transformation, I used a match cut technique for a smooth transition. Let's now add the effects. In the Effects tab, search for Flicker. Add this silent film effect to your initial clips. Add another effect called Heartbeat. Use the hero moment speed ramping on the transformation part. Add Flicker Jitter 01 in sync with the beat. Now add Flicker Jitter 03. This will also ensure a smooth transition. Another speed ramping on the last part. Spice it up by adding negative flicker. Another Flicker Jitter 03. You may also apply LUTs or filters. I added another Flicker Jitter here for emphasizing the transition as well as the transformation. Thanks for watching.